yes, the good people of
it's beautiful.
Then she has out. Won't talk about my lawyer.
Come on, what I see in terms of.
Sound say me no makase ade ye no na ye enya na nye. Won say me no me kan say boss we atama dwonkuma sabi ofri mu no. Na me ni last na me ni wudi nkomo e reception na me ka say e clear say we be ma napo but omo person ni padodo no a be testy water no re say
ehun say na be sesi.
Yakọ.
Yeah.
And e clear me napo at this point na me ni so na benya.
Okay.
Say no be kase wo ba because e mfama wo ba na me ni say e napo na na beba. Enti nyame anya napo adom na wapagya ne se ya. Meaning say manhia ho no fish akese o metima ye adwuma no. Enti at this point adentina lawyer bafo awuwa na wono no obi anim se adwuma no sade wo se di akotere wo party nim ni sade wo se ye adwuma wo party nim wono nyame ya adom na mo de sade brewe de manu a obetimi aboa empo
ono so ye board member MPA
enti on say enti sa ko
energy education
enti what there
Dr. These are the two people you see on money BPA.
Enti who could lawyer you know from where I sit lawyer you know from where I
anyway let's wait and see come on that say mama Christian Akwaba Christian who talk about men share south ana
debi me Akwabre
oh so I'm saying yeah makwan mama fine pa
na no me ko twam wo ho me ko twam wo Akwabre fa kwan no so and na me drive me hu say eniema ye
kaneno
first na me ko fa ho no no
na nso so nwie
peyo and I think say eye omugu so me am drive ko fa ho anadwo esa ba ho ma che me nam kwan so no Kwabre na me de mani a kire mu na me ko crew the same what do you call it me twam ko ne nkranza me twam ko nkranza and me buy me do ye eniema ye eniema but enti me nka say 100% but I think say
sakra no kwan bi so bi sende ma me omo hwe no omo nye
time na
I say erosion bi kra sakra wo no
say ma nyam kwan ti wo beto aba na answer
na do say no kai o ya mo medra Christian na do so beto ala so ba beto aba na say Kwabre for so beto aba say o ba say but I will do what I can do yeah that is what I do yeah Adudi is a campaign come so because why we are got to bomb yama I will be a bomb yeah Adudi but obojuma oye do betu na ye be ba how no medin common there just MPP for minimum the crop ye do omo ka che wo mo na omu bosema $4 billion
on say
euro bonds individuals na ade ache wo mo no akobo say wa ko ya mani ma ye si afi ye de ka che ma be hwe jubilation we jubilation
no na me ne opani bi dinku
ayi papa no grate Ami Adam on the omunya no sofo preku
finance minister
the world will be shocked by Ghana's economy but
no time home
tomorrow no di 4 days what again around the many Christian come on Christian Akwabo yeah before me ku
town hall meeting we go for dame sorry go for dame no what can or linking it to ambulance issue now hey anya better
o dey relax e will come on Mr. Mo ha no mo be can transformational agenda kwan o me fa so o me transform Ghana na unity government champion bre union government go see say Mr. Mo ha be din komo Mami ko Christian ho na Kennedy digital satellite o mo van sempanamra minia
oman
the floor is yours
oman be fa kwanya we su na ye din check esia mu bibiro nyame ayewa dum na ode na chew na wo hwe Sompa TV yenso yiti radio no Sompa FM 93.1 na anopedi so ma kan Sompa na yedi free Kennedy digital selasue na omana yedi bre obi biara omana me chia me boss Mr. Kennedy champion ya papa oye the CEO of Kennedy digital satellite nyamenam so na enyem fe no home appliances omana boye fo that anopedi bia obi ano me chop pusi onyame show na wakoma sade bia oman ofa no mu omana anopedi home appliances asue na ye pie so wanya kwenya na wo hwe TV na enche bia bo se sidebar na ba betoto so different telephone numbers was so betimi afre bia no obefa na wo frɛ Kennedy e wa homatofo no so na nkomo bia opeso ne Kennedy di bia efa home appliances bia no obefa telephone number o ma no bi se anopai na dwendwen pa ye kwan obefa so a obenya fridge e papa ne bo foto Oman obi so da no na dwi ahuhu ade na ma oman osoro no pe ahuhu ho asem nkwa osoro pa kro ho ne ma ho na fifinsa ne ne ma agu omuntu wose ena no pe ye hepa na menya air condition ya eye papa ne bo da fo ma meto a me be ko me fia eno so ensan tweme light oman no pe obi adwindwi nya se kon be no be fa so obenya adwuma ye ne de nya ye adwuma because ohwe ne tebia na ontimi nya adwuma eye gidigidi e kon be no be fa so obenya adwuma ye anopa Mr. Kennedy se ko akoma to na Kennedy food pound machine Kennedy brew machine Kennedy popcorn machine no ni nyina ebi e ho betumi atobi ade be adwuma o ma na no pay obi soro ye ne nam a egu ni deep freezer mu no se free deep freezer no koto ye ode ye adwuma o ma enye papa enti o soro ye nam na sei na dwindwi nyina ne se e hemfa no benya deep freezer eye papa ya from ya obeto wode be ye adwuma obehu se ampa me koto deep freezer na deep freezer na me to ye ne eye papa ne bo so sa da fom enu achi me ne nam ne gu mu no adwuma nka me express be bon e bon okwan paso ma me Omano no bi adwindwi nyina se fa no benya TV mpode abone dem na Eros ya ekoso yi one ne yere ne man na busua emmoba wane mrantie nkokora ne ketesi obi abegye bia hwe na no so man be wo muni age oman Kennedy sia no pay ka wakoma to yam niam ya mebubo so se ye fridge ho adwendwen na aba mu se ye deep freezer pa ho adwendwen se ye air condition ho adwendwen se ye TV ho adwendwen obi kura so ne de nya so obenya microwave na ka no pe osoro ye enya fe na woko so ja de papa bom o se ifa no benya microwave papa me de be kamedua na me di ntem na makọ adwuma obi so per rice cooker obi so per kettle obi so per iron obi so per blender adopay ya kurute ni nyina gu pipa so se kan wakoma to yem na owura Kennedy digital selafie ya o ma no pe deep freezer ebi ho bebrebe e bo ne da fom ne bo na fu o ma ne bia metra me busa bewe o ma enipa bi se opaso pa ngoma so ne enu edom nti ne mum ne ye ntia o ma da bia ye tra se ne be ye so ne be tena Sompa na ye kansam no o ma ne se ne bibia ntia o se ne be ya obi abenya niema we bia obeto obo no obeto no e bo ne be da fom no na afi wo de kofia na expectation na o expect say adwuma asane ma ne be bo no e be boni yama no o ma no person open deep freezer parto open fridge parto obi so ne the air conditioning na open biato obi so ne the open TV or the bonnet dem ato obi so open kettle obi so open iron obi so open blender obi so open ceiling fan obi so open standing fan obi so ne the nyina ne so obenya washing machine odi be sinema efiri so wo sinema ma sese ni mo wura nyina eyawu o de ne saka ne sa na ye ne ya obi so ne the open gas cooker with oven odi be siwo no na aduane wo so kama anopai oman baby ani so enima me bubo so nyina baby obenya de ye papa oman obeto a ensa ma problem ebo no esa da fom oman aseye no eye Kennedy digital satellite ye the numbers ni ne to dwade obetimi afa bia ne fa enkita hodie bia obeso ni Kennedy di bia no mesraw eni Kennedy eni baby awo bia ye delivery services nationwide say ye TV na ope say ye kettle na ope say ye iron na ope say ye deep freezer pa na ope say ye fridge pa na ope oman obi kwa do so you know say fridge ni me pede freezer ne wo soro na fridge ne wase obi so me pede deep freezer no e wase na fridge ne e wo soro oba se ni mo we bi nyina na ope obi se ono de me de me pe ceiling fan na me de me de bo me dem na abome oba do bi kwa so say me de me ye fashion designer na he fan na me nya industrial sewing machine ye papa me de be pamon tade a e be ye fe na me so me nya sika de bombra oba na no pe Kennedy ye se ka okoma to yem enema we bi nyina na wo pa asoye a wo benya bi ya eye papa ne bone da fom ya tete so na ye man ye sem nyan se obi abetumi ato bi no o man asoye no eye Kennedy digital seller ye numbers ye do to jan baby obi an for telephone number no se wo hwe TV ni so 4 different telephone numbers e bigu so en kan wager old barrier kokro bi te junction to bla na so e ho na Kennedy e wo nkrama mu kuma se so pe Kennedy asoye o man ye wo adum family plaza be the first floor from Busane bra o man obenya we bi nyina bi patase ne fi anwan kwanta obo ase ne baby bia ban o man patase ye wadom house Kennedy junction from Busane ko ade bia be to bia ne make sure say what awaju receipt stamp ese no eye Kennedy digital seller o my telephone number is 0244 385 128 0244 385 128
128
Oman studio high ti enye ye fie but home appliance etwa ho hia da bia metesa me se saa ne ma we beka yen dada setena ho a o ma ne yi fi abrabɔ no ma enye ye ento ma me ne nkofo bi di fi bi okwan so because home appliances almost our daily lifestyle o ma na se ne se home appliances abeka yan brabɔ to the extent o man fridge yetimi nyi fi abrabɔ yetimi nyi di fridge fi abrabɔ yetimi nyi TV fi abrabɔ kettle ne iron ne blaze ne ba so yetimi nyi fi abrabɔ washing machine o man ne be cinema yetimi nyi film gas cooker with oven o man ye be no aso aduane o man yetimi nyi film enti o man Kennedy ye say sane ma we pa ne be mani pani ade dia ene na me nam so ama o man ye kofa bebre aba o man ye kofa o makwakwa ye de na de ba ne ye se ye mo ne bona ba fom sane be ya sika keto na ekura ruwa Kennedy aso ebia o man bibia opebi obetime nya biato enti fa telephone number no na fe Kennedy bia bia wo bia no ene ni nkita ho pese ma no ne mani bia o man fo frɛ be ma no bi kama o ba nya problem bia no man yensem ne se o pe bia bi nya TV ye papa ne boofo abeto a o man aso ne Kennedy aso ye enko ba bi mo bi fa so kwankwada no attention o man se o pe 32 inches television o man Kennedy o pe 43 inches o man Kennedy o pe 50 inches Kennedy o bi kura say me de boy ya me boy me ni passport do pa me be pa a plane aqua bridge o man TV so ne be hwe no na mo man Kennedy yes say o pe TV ye papa o beto a o be hwe no so digital satellite television brand was na da kam ya o man encho light the bonus ada forma aso en Kennedy digital satellite o man na po bi so ye huhura de na ma o hu ne awanya me sero se huhura de na se air condition ho adwendwen na ba mu a o man obi say air condition me de me ko bu se bi ne boarding e bi so say me de na me ko to na tweme light ma se me ko mentimi so o man Kennedy si ko akoma to yem o pe be nya air condition e papa o man o beto a encho light ya R410 air conditioner o man encho light a ahwe ne Kennedy digital satellite o man obi so ne sorry no pe adwuma ye Kennedy fu bande machine de bi aba me sero ma me papa be to bi fasi be bi ne fa ye adwuma na obenya sika gubotum na de bobra o man ye Kennedy popcorn machine saba ya o man ye popcorn machine business no say booming business o Ghana be to bi ne fa ko ye adwuma na o electric type o gas type be bi nya Kennedy popcorn machine bi papa o man ya hwe honom o man doctor tade hye ni me hu ye no kwa mani ade ye what types of machines dey pom ntade pese ye friend industrial sewing machines o Ghana hana se o pe machine papa o man ye knitting ye straight ye 20 you be obenya bi obeto o man we design o de pom ntade na ahwe ne Kennedy ahwe enko be bi fa so kwa na no atchenchene o man ye location ni telephone number no beto so nya sore so baby awo bia no fa telephone number no o de baby awo free baby a no de wo se wo ba adum family plaza building no first floor name make sure say yes ye niam no ye ntone wo fom ade bi obeto bia no make sure say what you receipt stamp pese no Kennedy digital seller o man adum finfin family plaza building no first floor e ho na Kennedy o man kan fo nyina de ni be kire wager old barrier kokuro bit agency on the main castle road as one traffic light as pay o sana so Kennedy ho ade bi e friend pom plans o man no pe TV ato o pe fridge ato o pe air condition o pe kettle o pe iron o pe blender o pe microwave o man o pe full pounding machine e de akoye dwuma ma na bi ho o pe popcorn machine e de akoye dwuma bi ho o pe deep freezers ahodo o pe ceiling fan o pe standing fan o pe industrial sewing machine as a fashion designer na akoye dwuma o man ni na bi o Kennedy aso o man e bone da form ye the numbers we to dwane aso so ne the challenge I to man say yes ni man bo for ni bla be ento ja hoko o ko fufura go and compare the price double say Kennedy no e na ne bo no o man numbers no e 0244 385 128 0244 385 128 edum family plaza building na na Kennedy ho enkafo na wager old barrier kokuro bite junction kaso akwan na so honom patas ye wadom house Kennedy junction tiaje bi efe no home appliance bia TV kettle iron blender deep freezer papa air conditions papa fridges papa ni nyina ebi ba otiri ma mesro enkoma bi bia se Kennedy digital seller.
Thank you very much. Here to try and commodity no so me sad ma commencia na me I will not be fair if I don't show you all the three people are a man for fee say they will be contesting na doctor dey so no e mention south ni ento no honor to na bati enti me sama mo ma me tema so picture ono so so GMPC alaba ni aba you are just ono so odi mo akotene yes very pretty beautiful lady ba me tema ono so na metete so ono so be unity a omo the forms no be go a ono so be fa form anopa no me kire mo lawyer bafo awua ono so from 2000 polling station ono so enie a ono so ayiniti Christians dey we are on beto amaro o jane na afei na no usu afrie prempen so enie ba komo me asa nyina abom mame na hwa de ya asase ntem ayeda ya Matthew Poku prempen oko di running mate na wa pre adwa said the obetimi ayamana o matima break you omu 8 almost it is possible enti no man share adwa no beto na omo yi omuti a yetete ani minim say bi be ba beka ho enye we ya bara no pay de edin abetom no lawyer bafo awua oye de chem so de shash town di mu akotene ho wa ye adwuma wo party ni mu a ono ansa ye MPA board member osanso so ewo ni chambers wo enkrai Fiesta Royal chen ho ma enya agro say young man wa bobra for a young man like that to have a chamber bafo awua and associate there na je say wonye nipakuma uko nana usu afie ha ono so abobra a je say o GMPC ono so akosuku kamasua de wa UK memuni ade is a family man just like bafo awua teman so married with children na omunyina no responsible people. Let me have the 3 pictures and then Mensia South for police station form number 12 no. Na me didn't come on me didn't come on to a visit we try if so lawyer na ko if so etema if just say contest we say we mu me answer be gina e be de pa. But if you feel say Dr. Matupoku Prempe ni ade well if so tema so ye Matupoku Prempe na kwada now about for so the lawyer la lawyer it's just what we are saying now connected to Dr. Matthew Poku Prempe na lawyer kunini pa ni lawyer about for it tells you say he is a man of pedigree and in the answer so blood and na no uso free Prempe and anakwada nso so ne ya chese one na ya adwuma wo free SHS the to GMPC to omo me say na connected to the running mate of the new patriotic party soon to be. And you know how that is going to pan out, let's wait and see. But I no pay say also dokro na twa ho ntwa also ya de bonne me see onipa bi ho no ma wan hwe obeka say ya boni duampo na doctor kan kofo ba so e ho de o haw ne ba no obu on mo ba doctor me na doctor me yemu twa me bo ano twe me didi anyam ye na bofa me so anadwo wan hwe ase me choki ne nyina da ye catch us say also onyini Dr. Fakwenya bia so a say my sister ba ho we can my sister me ma minu akum kuma oba osusa na me friend doctor say doctor symptoms are all candidate just say why empire there my bobi na mom onamani so nyame ma monim die sem fanya adwuma enti okọ first day ade chi anopa onim de oka kire me papa no o wadru na bi ara sema ko pe o wadru doctor akwaba
ya nua
na opom to say
nyame adom me hoye pa
bibi aboko de
nyame adom me hoye papa
okay em say wa dance bi ayentie
good evening machona ohoye de ni say wa da do hoye dok me da sibibri nyame shao pa wa ya de me da pa nyame shao mo ojuma hoye enye nkoso pa odrona me to me my wife beji ye no odrona bo me ko ka se me no ma me hu sen wo akiri ma hu sen so pa wo akiri me da ni minti di na ma ye mre dogwa bia me duru de agi erade me da se pa se duru ati majime agime metima sora mitimi kika me timi nante me da se bebre nyame shira ma house de ana me message bebre na me bisa o se ne minsi mfa me so fa cheme na ya fo de ye ho ya homte ntino me so fa cheme nyame shira mo odwuma nye nkoso se de ma hu sen pa o ma brabom nti ma me ye voice message di ama won ka se me from aka ye no kasa ona se o so busy ntino me kusu a me yusu odro na me kusu a me yusu nti bibia me so me ma message na wa hu de akọ me kuso odro me beji ya me no nye week kra me ma hu se nsisaye ne de wa na misitie na mitina na edwame a mejime hu ba bia mapoma na ebono the one we say the ultimate say nema bebre ekofom to me say eye pa me amitimi sore mbibia amitimi sore koto ade mi ba chance kwa kontu mo ha easy ntina me da nyame shirawo so obo Ghana for koso anu nyakuma pa na for mabo Ghana for say nyame shirawo pa nyame shirawo me da se bebre.
Okay, obi adanse no dog
on your way or Spain na owa ni mo bi manso na oyare obetua odaika obetua bills na ontumi nkoma ndi oteyenka wa haya na oma na yere bae ntimi nyene me kasa an ma hunu sare no ma eko na me ye package sana ye no meje nko and after 1 week the first week ni the pressure or free was and there now guys onya abotre no hwe within 3 days the bc and on Sunday message after some work at assessor cry after now go to me pay kwa bonten untimi nko
say o timi kika no
ho say on wa and ram body am na kasa je say watimi asa start adwuma
my god
and nti energy so na no pel me ba makoma ato me yem say ya na me frɛ wo mo ba a day before
okay
na man ba ko free pankro no ba na say no complaining nra ya no pay me friend am say na Ade Akye yete say o say mo ntimi hu say magic o say na o be so hwe kakra hwe say e be sa
asisa
e be sa na wa ko didi no ma
ye ka kire o say menye na
sa ye ko ye ni mu nko a eno ja busuafo dimpafo de ye say eno ana ye ka ho asem aye stomach ulcer bibi be fry betumi ahwe na emom de be ya specialized stomach ulcer ne ehon hawo sanso na de me bosso kakra ye wo me ana me cover me ne ma me follow obi me say 7 reasons bi ntia hospitals bebre ne clinics bebre and to mean solve stomach ulcer problems.
Okay.
1, inaccurate diagnosis. Nipa bebre be ba hospital they all can and need the no difference room and nti okwa doctor no be ka say koye CT scan, MRI, koye echo, ECG. O wa ko na na kuma ye okay. Enu die hu ade kro ha no. Oba di mpa so ya ye be ye diagnosis ye be pick ya de kro na ye tumi aye ho adwuma ye. Ye to so mienu ye inadequate knowledge about the disease. Ya de no ankasa na ma atwa no ho ahia no. Ye hia nimdie na what media ye ho adwuma yi.
Obu a ya so ye sa osa.
Aha. O di agro. Enu nti wa ya na ya specialize o stomach ulcer ho a. Ye sua ho ade na ye wo nimdie because 8 years muni tiniama bebre na yesua de yat practically ama etumi edi dwuma ne yie de to so miensa ye hidden symptoms stomach ulcer won yema bi e bata no ho a esie nipa eni se wonimu a unhu mpo se ye stomach ulcer na eye wo sa se de da bia meka no se obi yam ya ne ya eno de enya nwanwa se stomach ulcer be wo ho so obi yam tutu no a enya nwanwa se stomach ulcer be wo empo se ko ba se obi boya ne ya enya nwanwa se stomach ulcer na emum se ko ba se ni timum na ye ne ya ana na nisu na bere na wontumi nna ana na kuma no na ye no kin okọ check ya ye se ni BP okay but onhu ade kro de ha adwe a esie kase kro ni pa echi obi echi ya na ya te se de bibi ebuo but onim se ni stomach ulcer cry related sa hidden symptoms we e kan ho bi na nipa bebre ni hospitals clinics and to mean service stomach ulcer problem no na about the pass ya e be no neat the trust 9 assumed to be a spiritual problem nipa bebre de no na adwen ye ne say ye honhom asem sade ne tie no na nisu bre no na anadwo 1:30 na enya no untumi na ade se be 4 afi na odwundwun nyema bebre wote wa na yemu ahyewo udidi ana ehyehye okon ho obu okwa na afu ye kese nti afi na adwen ne se ya bomidua enya spiritual problem sana stomach ulcer anete gise dimpafo ene betumi adi ho dwuma ma asomdwe atumi aba de etoso enum improper preparation ya de bia ne hwe no ewo kwa befa so a ode no ma besisi na kwan so ama nsesa ya tumi aba one no mu no bebre why ye no bebre akokọ miamia bebre a ye mfiti prekopa mfa duro ma se kokonom ansesa hwe we say ye detox ne ye toxins a enuro ahodo ade abre wo widie mu ne obrabo mu obi abenu aduro bia liver energy no de aya adwuma is a liver no I saturated with toxins I won't aduro anya adwuma to oba say ye detox na ma system ne prepare no afi obi wana onya poor blood circulation and say dem fidie bua ma emoja flow ye se emoja flow ya onumadro a esa etimi pass it through said emoja ene mframapa circulate na aka ho akobi already no emoja flow ye oxygen timi flow ya onumadro a ejina faako na asabe senko oba dimpa so ya ye behwe ne ayesa no ma we nyina ma ekwan mu adaho afi onumadro ebe ya adwuma de etoso nsia se me kasafa the 7 reasons etoso nsia powerless medications but before that my memfa baby I want to dwa
that's right
dimpa natural health ye wo kumase di chamso honko an ye wo baby aka bi agese ye package and a bro said you will be dear dancing ne from Spain no baby brain crofo ema ye de dro koma but wo Ghana yes I will be back kumase di chamso old health insurance abrosano mu Willas Towers ehot na ye wo
okay
ya bedru honom na ebia wo ben ya frɛ 0245
11
84 34 0245 11 84 34 and 0246 744 0246 744 all right and the 6th reason anti hospitals and clinics be able solve stomach ulcer problem no powerless medication enya drobia na etumi ehwe stomach ulcer yade no ana afi enya ade baako na esi so obi nya stomach ulcer animanimu ya no de nro a eton pharmacy ni no bebre betumi aboa ba ko na nimu a jesa wo hwe di mpachira kwa free say wo here aduro betumi akum bacteria na efra no H pylori no se krono aba ya funu ulcer no uhia aduro betumi akum ulcer no se affect akoma uhia de betumi ahwe na aboa akoma no sa amani panitie ne ya uhia etire no nso aduro sa amana chie ne ya uhia de behwe na chi no de ama no se emane yamutimu a ye wonaduro ema orane a wonaduro eno nti yemfa aduro baako na eko stomach ulcer wanyini so Marcos and ebi 30 years ebi 40 years eno nti abusuafo enipa bebre edi agrobat so pese ko stomach ulcer na efri honomo a esa wo hwe dimpa natural health ye kira kwan the last reason ema clinics bebre any hospitals bebre entumi enko sa yade we unknown forbidden habits and on the dimpa for ya kweni bibi say the 10 commandments of stomach ulcer treatment WI but na se kanon ko anwasem se unim se enoma bi bata ulcer no ho na udidi a wo penyina na wo no maduro a agro na wudie ye wo enema bebre a ensa se wudie wo badi mpa so ya enyamre ekire wo ne ama watwa atomfo so bibisi na arafia ofra ya chire mu dia chire eno nti ye de ba we endi mpa for you kuma se di chem so old health insurance abosano mu well last hours 0245 11 84 34 0245 11 84 34 and 0246 744 0246 744 opening so mechia o de unhu me ya enkwara nti no
me samo ade chem so ayi ne office na wo ho no
Love Enterprise
na oh yeah ukwa ne no kwa friend say Tarazo
that's right yeah
Yo. Oh, that time no more enkwara okay Mr. Joseph Amoache.
Yeah.
Amo akwaba na ho to say. Ana no mo kwa Mr. Mofa no Alan Kojo Trematin ni Jumedia odi no be na nsane ne no ento dwama me. Oye no Moven pick no. Mofa engu bo mame. Ni phone ni videos no. Abafrantono is all the way. Enya agro kra. Is enye easy. Move pow. Hey. Yes, easy. Yellow and black.
Yellow army, no.
Yellow army.
That's right.
Now, enya in it way. A road to it and Koya said, what he need was sent a papa and so yon
50.
No. Yeah, call bows in my rain. A rare or towards the CA. A man of the car toss me in as what he Papa.
Yeah.
The Great Transformation Plan.
Yes.
GTP. Kayentoma. And Roland St. Jantoma. Mammy Tew.
You be a friend.
My pro boneco say, Mammy Camusa.
Okay. Yamiadum. A pro bono, the Nami Akoyano. Oko, Osase Eastern region. Okore Yamiadum, Nimena Kama, now, or the Nema to Tuaquem. Now, Eastern region, Adeba Aqua, here Allah, or Honose, a bit my hono as research center for the whole of West Africa. Because also Eastern region environment in that's a very big research center and research and innovation center.
A research center into medicine or
into many other things.
Many other stuff.
Yeah, medicine, scientific issues.
I say it's like a scientific hub.
Yes, in the Eastern region, you are looking for that particular.
Okay.
And so, US, but we state we see no, and yes, other things in here, but
it is made for. I said, Oko Abuja is here as a business.
Yes,
South Africa, or more Durban, or more Joburg,
that's right,
or more Pretoria.
That's right.
Higher the seat of government, a higher, I'm trying to say, judicial associate business. Okay.
Going forward, and San is a show man. And yet, but I see a DNA say, what you bit me, Edru. I've been a war plan. The account been say, you be pian, not that channel, not your quay anymore. Not Eastern region. I bet the research center for the whole of
that manifesto, Niana.
Yeah, you see manifesto, you plan. The Great Transformation Plan.
And to do no book on here. Now, book is said, Mimi.
My Sunday had a soft coffee grammar.
I'm a soft copy. I think I'm going to Basia Coca. Mumma, you book. Oh, Moya must say, and for the Yamuamo. Book used to me, and I'm going to shall book. There's no one to buy. I have Banra. I said, when they call luncheon Monday. Okay, I can't fault you. You need the Great Transformation Plan. You really must say it's possible. Needs to be join.
The anointing of the food basket for the whole of West Africa.
Food basket.
Because
talk of the devil. I just mentioned his name. He said, Robert
Kese fertile so adia na lucky kakra ye nsuo bi ana ho no dry baby how we nya dry kakra ho no
okay
but how kra no on say nsuo akese bi dida the other side na e push ben say but other areas bi ho a nsuo no nti we have food basket here dey ba ko bi nya nsuo dey o ya agriculture unti we nsuo nti as part of the plan no at a point no you say scientists, you must say so scientific say in some other place no you wait my induce rainfall. It was a cloud seed
for cloud seeding to harvest rain.
To harvest rain. So maybe abenya consistent rains what be food because so Ghana ha it me ehwe area no na ye link agriculture massive agricultural production to the industry processing any other you know a bit more because in the mranti and I happy soon because agric necessary say budu anu kan say amonko yefu anu moko something might motivate the person. I have to move them. Well, the brand here said we will university. That's Kokoye fu. Uncle. I just want to say, I did be a while. Or qua Ubina on Faso. You know, and say, I didn't make no. Make one, make quack. I didn't make when me ya. Menya ni pay better. Menya market, consistent market. You may also live in a group of the Antusi, I'll be the no. Na I say, the fancy, not as Waboka. It is our risk, you know. We have to leave it out, move it out. Until you're not in the bell link, sir, in free commercial farming to industry. So, you need a process here. At the end, a very long shelf life, longer shelf life. And at the back, also high agree, power back on say, your packaging, and yet, papa, and yakono. It is in ya, say, a link, sir, we mean in our boom. We nipa would do and would do you in the camera, because your process, your packaging it well. Who export to easy. Because the audio command because had the honor yana kono eno beto.
As I mean, Alan will go for agro processing and industrialization. Massive
agro because krobia wakona nimbia unyana agriculture. Krobia wakona nimbia ujo agriculture. What is going to be your raw material? And as of now, raw material you must be close to the raw material. So the way you bit process here now. When you competitive pricing to the international market.
Okay.
It's you know you are there by so who here no pa na a plan. And yet made man no as yet nyame adomina island bar. That's what we near. It's animal we near kwaku tintim. Yene parliament tintim go yesu na o manage atum say na yeko nti nyina na yeko nti say dachi bia akra no the times no ni na obi ba nya afa no ba so me de e ba yeko no sia because a plan ya shisha to ho a wo yatimi tintim a ye de ato aban na say o manage nyina agi atum enunti na esese you push you pull MPP ne NDC these two big parties no you pull them together near you ekwaji ade no tum said be ya obi obeka say me dey na menka ho tum so be me dey
someone this is where I come in say yenim say your unitary state government you do pempen so be abaya winner takes all a parliamentary system. You need a majority to carry on with your things in parliament. Afrafranto is a movement for change together with Alliance for Revolutionary Change.
Yeah, that's right.
You don't have you will not have the numbers in parliament.
That is
definitely bringing people from different places. Someone can say Alan will fish, but who say Penny way obetimi I Greek minister beye we were MPP near on office will run MPP Boakye. Looking at our volatile nature, Alan say we ni brabe me MPP ni MPP for the money be no asa wo say wo kra na ya Alan dada e na abehye mu NDC ni suka so koji position a chese wo yan win no wo de opese okodidi entino how are you going to pool the human capital to form a government? Alan is coming from outside advisedly used to say only parliamentarians were Mrashebejefi. Ena, she say Ade Akye no so no. Alan candidate I be a movement for change. Some contesting for parliamentary. It's a tall order. Truth be told.
Yes, but I would say Alan is coming because of our entrenchment in the status quo.
In NDC MPP.
Status quo too much. You say bibi odi baby ani new. So, and even at this particular election, Libya knew because they knew about who NDC NDC presidential candidate, you know, what the president did that, and was our baby.
That's right.
So, we share MPP, parliamentary candidate, presidential candidate in the Banwa. One the first Muslim or Baba president, Eddie Ghana, see that.
Okay.
What I say, and now we share alliance. Also the first independent candidate here. Also a free party
and also being seen.
That.
Most of the time, independent candidates no move free baby never. Where they were free party.
Yes. And the idea We no bia almost for the first unique. And teacher, we need to move to an unique position because we say baby I don't or mind your person teacher. Baby I don't mind your person teacher. No other thing like building the nation. The government of national unity. We need to unite because maybe no parties me no be bia aya kutia ene de obetimi ene de wentimi obi de ate papa bakra na obi ye den
bogu
bogu because bi kra na bitin aboa ebi see that say you dey have insurance bakra because and this for the itma ene ko parliament what I say Satman na kufado de FCC be yes the same thing
and even down the bill to entrench it is I know so be contention
and the as I said baby Edron, yeah, just had it for 32 years. Must we continue like this?
Try MPPN, this MPPN.
Must we continue like this? The piano. Now, your car name. We are running vicious cycle. To see a move from there. Now, you know who say, oh, mine, yeah, dear. See, I'm ready here. See, it's a mobile and say, the back of grandma. I dear, yeah, they are never free. And as I said, your Sanya is in Massey. Now, what I believe is say, parliamentarians no sebi omo parliament no sebi omo ye sebi enyansafo and as omo nnuamo ye and they understand where the world is moving to. It is obi the agin papa ba na betimi aboa ama na konanimu a menhuru why parliamentarians better can say enu dia ya ba to because ye shisha de na za de no betimi aboa ama na konanimu a me fan say you can induce rainfall. That's a thing a part of it. That's a bedroom parliament here. Parliament because we say baby I dey kono nye bi kuro.
We say Liman time even though he had members in parliament because Victor Usu and the others had majority. Almost throw the government budget away so one can prepare for.
And yeah, Victor Usu the thrown away. If you listen to the history very well, and you know another crop for and because now 72 MPs.
Okay.
And I can all the other opposition when they 69.
It even makes my case even more. You say, so no one for crime one.
Broader consultation.
And I'm
Joy Bennett, not Joy Bennett, so I made too close. But now he needs a broader consultation,
which he did not do.
But because now I didn't time or the other no parliament near now I close. And I sat down and send it. Oh, bad, you were born here.
Tata writer.
We will feel I had here, just on and took mobile phone. What does it do? Broader consultations so end me and yet that time. And besides that, George Bernard not he was a professor, but he was not an economist. And then it is Jemima Tian say, not the deputy, no, and a economist. But deputy feel say he was slighted because he was not involved in the budget preparation. And teacher say, and maybe I hear say I'm push you.
And it's even worse.
And now, yes,
because but Osha Parliament 137. Imagine say ya to abana wie na ya sa konya that status quo of 2020 Parliament the fourth 137 na Alan na president.
Yes.
Is Alan going to convince NDC or MPP? Well, they're all kind of on an ideal situation, which is not on the floor, Mr. Amwa.
Because we always have to move forward. Because
but are parliamentarians ready to move? That is the question.
You cannot determine your future. You cannot determine your future rooted in your past.
And I make say, one man demonstrates who say they are not ready to move out of the political arena. Because the Nema Baby Negu Akwema, you will debate in Tokwa, across parliament. They are not ready to batch. So how is an independent candidate going to rule this country without his men not in parliament?
How can he rule?
How can he rule?
Because you're executive president. Executive president, I don't know my with him. What do you say? There are certain things to be executive president, sometimes it may not be necessary going to parliament. He
would need an executive fiat.
Yes.
But 90% goes to parliament.
But that is not to say because my fan say, 24 executives now here for ministerial appointments.
They will have to get approval.
Now they will go to parliament.
From this parliament.
Now the opposition, you won't approve MP before.
Then some
do they or they don't?
Here you are going to have a selection of people there.
Do they or they don't?
They do.
So what is wrong?
But their members are there, so they always bulldoze or cajole. Say the bear, I can't remember my mom. I approve of
if you are not ready to stem the tide in your life, you won't make any success.
And you think this is what Allah wants to do?
You need to, because we need to salvage this nation from where we are in the doldrums.
MPP, NDC.
We need to salvage it from the doldrum because we have had enough of the duopoly, and that needs to be changed. That needs to be changed.
And you think Alan can change it?
It's in our own benefit.
Alan can change it.
Your mind here, the power of the people is stronger than the people in power.
I agree with you.
The power of the people is stronger than the people in power.
I say you won't be Kenya.
What would you call
Enra Ruto. According to Amrashebe Jeffie, my name is a producer crowd video ni mama. They have passed in Parliament 2024 financial bill. Kenya force you company. Enra will say he is unable to sign it. It will make him parliamentarians pass you. But the people stood up. And Kenya, Ghana, parliamentarians, Benum, Keke, Jemuas, Sylvester, Mo 7. Omunye Johnny Kwashe, underground bankers, you know. Ruta, it will tell the demonstrators, no more. That
is the power of the people. It's stronger than.
I cancel taxes by 17.
And that's the power of the people, which is stronger than the people in power. It's about time Ghanaians wake up. Need to be man because of man here. And you have very few people on there. And they say, I didn't be debating with the alcohol baby. Alan is
a politician. And
that is where you can find the great transformation plan. Great transformation plan. What is Obia body manifesto? I can't so the plan say at a point the crown obey induce rainfall. Ebi see that any strong. Huh? Was so urban in the health service area to be there because Ghana has a any people who are unfortunately they are not supposed to die as the early that they die. Or not access to any medical advice.
No,
and work free. And we have set up something we call the GP system. GP cancer general
practice. Well, be all London.
London. To be found that swam her.
Yeah, what GP bear 4 5. Or ya chicha or mama fiati every day.
And you wait me alcohol. And you call now say, Oyarian, never an yes, or G straight. Or wait my solve no why be a malaria. This is over G. Not last out and malaria.
60% malaria.
But the husband also a specialist. Areas here, I say, special handle. GP system, no bit my handles are there. Yes, to see that. Now, number 2, he's going to set something we call health screening booths. About 200,000 health screening booths across the country. I am simple, me checking my pressure, me checking my sugar, and they say, you know. You look at my grade over 300,000 jobs. What do I say?
Job for the boys.
And the idea here, and they say, oh, yeah, near my, a bit system, because we need to move away from the to something we call the enterprise economy, where everywhere you hit, creates jobs.
All right. My entire route to now, can we have the sound?
Because I run a government, but I also lead people. And the people have spoken. I am grateful to all the members of the National Assembly for the Finance Bill 2024, as amended on the floor of the House, to incorporate the views generated through public participation. And following the passage of the bill, the country witnessed widespread expression of dissatisfaction with the bill as passed, regrettably resulting in the loss of life, destruction of property, and desecration of constitutional institutions. On my own behalf, and on behalf of these members and many other Kenyans, I send my condolences to the families of those who lost their loved ones in this very unfortunate manner. Consequently, having reflected on the continuing conversation around the content of the Finance Bill 2024 and listening keenly to the people of Kenya who have said loudly that they want nothing to do with this Finance Bill 2024, I concede, and therefore I will not sign the 2024 Finance Bill, and it shall subsequently be withdrawn, and I have agreed with these members that that becomes our collective.
Okay, so Ruto, Kenyan president, and Motis Okasano, or say pressure Bani Adeno, wa concede, wa withdraw cry. Na parliamentarians in Yaswajiatu. Mamiko, you were about Chebio. All about the Ejekum. Kumau DC and a woman China pay na. Me hospital no how to say.
Yamiadum.
Kumau hospital de Yamipa.
Now President Bane. Uncle also Ashanti region, but Bibi is in the coin. No Baba commission for Manani Kumau. Now I basically
she say a formula them.
Yeah, Fomana.
Fomana so yeah, Jumana no show videos tell me.
Fomana Nikuma Nanko net. So when to me Amano, I always said the health minister will be in town today.
Okay.
Na wako inspect it.
Okay.
Date for Abba for.
Oh, okay. Na Kumawu this year so me fanto no so mu hini o.
Yeah, Omanhene Berima. I think say
Kumawu for na be ka kire me say men kan kire wo say bra radio so say Omanhene ye medical doctor.
Yeah.
Omo de ne ko Akye pram so. On ye superintendent wo. Omo so fee say Omanhene no. Oye doctor mu a.
Yeah.
Ejumo formal de ma because maame ba ko say so ura hospital okra na na te ho na the stethoscope no gun koma na yares na wahwe na wie.
Yes, I think that it is possible.
Just amu bibi it is possible. Eti misamo a very much say utie ba no pay a wa this year e de abeto manim say me fa fidi kase so na me kan che na Ghana Health Service for to say omu hia Omanhene the first ever paramount chief oya medical doctor be hwe ni krom ba.
Yeah.
Ebi si wi ase krada. Entina me so na ye history no ma kumawufo wa na. Omu hia pa ma bi tie wi na.
E o polyclinic ho no. Ebi o ho no ma ebra no wa
otimi se da ba ho. Wakoboa. Now can you imagine there? I'm imagining say Mehine.
Yeah.
Kote na Mehine doctor na Mako hospital na matinani. Nana what to say? Say come on, I will love it. Do you know I'm sorry who be one who here. But me too.
Omanhene me that's it. Me check phone.
You see I'm on your running mate too.
Yes,
yes, what platform this huru nyagro any jenkwa.
In fact, nyame ne yeda nase. Say odi abedru ba bia yedru na asante mantem ha ya Ashanti region ayasem kese a ayasem denso de ma yenyina sanse ahaye traditionally no ye stronghold nti ayamamre ne amane na ye diso
tamwa no business stronghold I was
make sure say jisheye pa a omampani na nado danko kufuado ene yera Dr. Mamudu Baumia ene MPP ye betwa so na de gaps e da honso so no ya fele na yatumi akoyanim se oman MPP a kire se yenyenyimu de nyame epene so se yemfa ni si akonya so a eno na ye de ni si so ti nyame pene so me ye de Dr. Mamudu Baumia ebae ene nyame so apene so se nyame ya dom na officially mpanimfo agituma aba krata bebree mu, so I can speak about it. Era Dr. Matthew Poku Prempe also one of the politicians Asanteman a producer or incorruptible who say sebe ne mrashe bedwa mu a wokoye say anase ne minister odi secretary hye ne proye bi afa no ne ohu Asanteman ne mu ase and ohu Ghana man so ne mu ase nti me sure say a good for us as a region and as a country and a party no ni nyina kamo mu nhwe eno nti na era Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia made mention of the article 87 of the 1992 constitution as well as the NDPC Act 479 say we should make sure say party be on a manifesto but manifesto mu no e was say yetumi edit plan etoho so that economic and social policies ebeye well
he's talking about a national development plan
and
committee,
this is
also be amended
exactly it is specifically and this is MPP nti Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia Sebin Prediasa he will never say the stance on development. He works for the people nti the amount for pay ena was say itu sa na mo no itu na the tosu bi mu ni say the plan Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia kan eye enhihyeya
mani kana se wai enhihyeya plan edin plan word plan o say nya mo dia
enhihyeya eye dada me ne otiwa me ne o kase na nado danko Akufo-Addo ene era Mahmoud Bawumia African Development Bank $2 million project e okumawo agro processing machine factory and as a plant I set it up I training kwada under TVET ye dwuma sese and then another danko Akufo-Addo ne era Mahmoud Bawumia oko nsuta sese ya a cereal processing plant.
That's right.
A juma e won suta.
Yes, true.
And then another Danko Akufo-Addo and Yera Bawumia oko Mairo under the one district one factory concept and another transi. Nanado transi na Yera Bawumia teho na ya jitu mu a de ye juma ye finance. So you see the whole thing is that ayana a difficult say Ghana ye be koyechi. Your identity as a party, NDC your identity, MPP your identity, your character. And this say, opese, oye bibi na eye shronkwa. E was say, utumi hu baby a ufriba. Me kasa ansem we nyina me hu say, emre ne na ye wo mu no. We need an innovative and creative thinker. Oh yeah. Send them a say na say you to meet the drones, the draw a quadrobon so echo can't open for echo can't ubi a sebe aboatia cano na unya hodia anka first no emfa ho se wo kwan ye ambula say a drone no kre ba etimi di trafficking etimi nya kwanhia oyire no oba no o maame no wan hwe a onuru obewu cause a drone ho but now omutimi din komo se si amene o kasa oba Kumawu District Hospital na se emfa se waba Mr. Bright abakumawu be ye adwuma na bibia si na yiwe ne far away the hospital far away that be digitalized.
Kumawu
136 hospitals in Ghana and still counting.
Okay.
Nya fe na opimfo no ye de na ba no ye se na UA ne file
nko yi ni
card mara yenko ye bibia wo so this is the way to go. It is important to say beti ase say Ghana eniema bia aludi under the Fourth Republic and beyond. Beti Ghana mi koyi niema be the dollar ni meanwhile no oko UK ne America ne Germany they respect their currencies. Yera Mahmoud Bawumia say within the business cycle, let's make sure say the nationalization policy, the mindset, the growth mindset must be encouraged. And the afa a minor free baby I deko. Yeah, dear. With the technology, Yera Bambud Baumia as vice president, Yera Fado Man Quine, na ode eye jumano. So obe take the executive position office na obey more. Asiani say, okay, 2012. Now Yera Mahama, say no a president. And so now all contest you because now Yera Mills a free, but he made promises. And I said, make key policy statements. At that time, Sanko Betimai as executive president. Obetimi. And now Tishonoa, yeah, Oyako 2016 as president, he made commitment and policies. Me wana. To both obi on the MPP. I don't know about me. When you say, even the person who was a sitting president or campaigning, he make key commitment. Saben also up. Yentuman not 1 million jobs. Okay, and he was the president. It tells you the kind of constitution this system are running. And the year Mamudu Baumia, the empesa metroni say every plan they free Omanhene Yaw beba. They be free Afrafranto beba. They be free John Mahama beba. He has the character to accommodate anybody. Obia obetimi na yadwuma aginatum. Wachire pefe. Say even when the going get tough, or step out to tell people the MPPI. You will never, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia will never deny the love he has for the people of Ghana in public. Oda Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia wama o my Ghana no on chene ni nchire womoda in times of difficulties. Entin waka article 489 achiro 87 ena a year NDPC Act documenter me of amo amode bano. It is welcomed. We welcome the document. Ebrebia ni munipa. Yaya den. Onyamia obosoro basase. On the nimrenti a ode Ira Mills by. Ano nimra ode Ira Mills koy. On the nimdenti ode Rollins by. No de no koy. Onimdenti ode Ira Mahama by. Onimdenti a ode Ira Kufo by. Onimni enti a ode Akufo Addo ba sa nyame no ankasa a onya nyiyimu radina de Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia eba be di akonya emfa ho ne pillars or how ne amane e be free nipa hwa ba honhom ne honam fam nyina no se nyame a osoro asan ato ho se Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia be di oman no so as president in 2025. Nana niswadi hunu a owo Ghana. Say, mrantia ne mabawa omuye gold. And now small scale miners under the Fourth Republic and beyond. Yentuminti yenisho omu. Let's establish Mineral Development Bank. Yen pulu omu together. They make sure say yetumia hanasi ya resources. Na yetumia nyasika e de ahye oman numa pagya oman no. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia say machines are yade bread local government ministries. Local government, this is the assemblies in metropolitan eba this very month no.
Yes monfa.
Yemfa big players, Ghanaians, partners na a quantum pon wa ha say no. Yenye. This is Joe Shop. Kofi Job attach cross no attach no you building on capacity now you making sure that the state partners them you know akambom na omo ye kwan you making sure say you agriculture and now say kuyadwuma ye no you prioritize it with technology and I'm happy say Dr. Professor Yaw Konom nyina is on board enti a choir ye faswa ye de
who is Professor Yaw
seated City of New York University.
Okay.
Who say Ofrikumawu and ono na de app e back ya fonti say udua wadua ba ni wie na unya tofo na you know wo hwe app na uhu omo a omo hia.
Okay.
You call them and they will come and buy. Making sure say policy connect. You see warehouses we bring. we connect our policies. Gaps are a woman, you know, you're feeling under. So, and the Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia and him say, was steady system, no, you know, Togo Lomi, a year, Omo Port, Ghana, a year, Tema Accra, Yem Port. At the end, I am to me making sure say Johnny Yedi. Entino, a quiet befaswa, ye be very competitive. Just say, ye bet to me, ane omo, edi na ye kama. Na obi mre, enkofa, anwan kofa, bokina, boda so sa, ni ese customer kochino. So these are some of the things that I allude as of mine. And Yera Mahmoud Bawumia talks about solutions. And well, now can Israel technology say ensure etumito. Everything is possible. And if you are more susu say Yera Alanche Mateka say yebetimi a cloud.
Now Paul is in Ashanti region. Alan is coming from this angle. Is he not going to disturb you?
No.
I didn't know, Kasa.
Me can no crash or say me ofatiwe. With all due respect, have high degree of respect for him. And Pad Ubia, including Chief Alan. They know say under this global economic complexities, MPP aye joma. Today many initial radios, I said I will never deny Alan Martin as a person who contributed to our success. But there's always a leader.
At every time.
At every time.
And at this time,
Yes.
you think it's Bawumia.
Yes. Yes.
Besama, Mami Brown chain. Many Dr. Mensa somebody chinkomoba. Mami Brown chain. I'm in Chokaka.
Yeah, me too. No, na nyaman boy very interesting. Was a bi ho a ono me say nyaman bi ho a kan na say Alan ani so ade hunu kra ho sem na okeka. But ya o de akoshe Bawumia di ya na emsre. Di so those positive ones in there. Bawumia na negative ones in the unimu. Is that what
the negative ones?
Because you see, Nema boy di okrume say. What is their solution to it? What I say, Nema boy di, be boy di. Now to a certain way, taxes. I mean, taxes. Who could hear this here? Who have 20 different kind of taxes. It be VAT on VAT on VAT. Who bet you import duty, bet you import VAT, processing fees, ECOWAS levy, network charges. Network charge VAT, network charge COVID-19 health, Ghana Shipper Authority fees, import NHRL, network charge NHRL, 1% withholding tax on import, Ghana disinfection fee, IDF fee, special import levy, Ghana export import exim levy, Ghana education trust fund get fund levy. Network charge on get fund levy, and then inspection fee, and then African Union import levy, and a COVID-19 health recovery levy. We bet you are winning about me or Henfa. See, you say you too. And you know the back and say taxes in your taxes in your jet, and all Casagrana say the neighbor workers who what can we in a then with my phone. And the Sanya Mano, okay, can near Mano, just say, we bet me to food drug you need, but this is Ghana for subsidy. You need a hopper. And no could jump this year. She never because Oko can see a kind of COVID-19 any Russian Ukraine war. Now, my Musa Azemba COVID by a party more than Pan. Ghana Yamia to Nipa and Musa the other place we in. But 90% of the people who died out of COVID were having underlying sickness, health conditions. What I say? It is our economy. No, sir, no, say.
I would just sure say it was pragmatic, well-thought policy in Tinema, Nipaswe Musa, because the government sought to do that.
May catch the woman we and I catch because of no more underlying policies. Underlying health conditions. Yes, underlying.
Whether the government did well or not,
yes, underlying health condition.
I agree, but I'm just saying. They did not contribute to Yedudrona Yenguno.
Enye ewe no asem America besi asem so wo ka asem foforo America besi asem so. Mrs. no man nipa we underline no more we na by 90% will underline health conditions.
I agree.
Some program ni me can as well cause here dey years am COVID Russia Ukraine war. Ye dey atu your say the bia na ma ye ho kire no. Said na ye ni underlying economic conditions here. And can go do a bit do. Cause our macroeconomic environment nye interest rate nye exchange rate nye. And no answer cost untimi nyina untimi apply breaks baby ya. It's all because ya share nyama yi. Hwe Alanchebate can say as far back as 2014 excessive borrowing. Hwe sabuku ekrami. Minim zo nya African Watch. And he was interviewed
Ghana is transformational.
May 2014. And several how I can more. Say Satam ya kaya medru baby I drone. Excessive borrowing. And now and near my way the way. Yentimi and hand bibia ya dollarize bibia no. What does it? When you say oko institutions ni bebremu a they charge in dollars and you pay in cedis.
Na ye no ana ba o me ase obesesa no.
I don't want to say no. I don't know what is here.
But somehow you know we run executive government. He cannot as vice president use his power.
To want the same ticket. I don't know where they are na ye na where they are.
And officer he's dodging from the negatives.
Yes, one and same ticket. One and same ticket.
So I don't know. Enkoye dia say ye na free.
Enkoye dia say the minimum howe. Enkoye dia na menen.
But the president says that president this year's State of the Nation address will say any minister within his government who did something to support him can take credit. Only problem. But the buck stops with him. He is the person to say, he is the president. Waka?
These are talks about just to throw that into our eyes. But the fact is, the fact of it now.
They are saying about me.
I didn't think about me to me cross from one ministry to another. Typical commission projects. Senya the presidential year or link with the presidency. We bet my cross from education, trade,
the president the man Juma so onko
now one say minister be across from trade.
Because he's a vice president. And he has been given authority or delegated power to perform.
The same ticket. And be say ya oka ho. Obra bra say asem kra ma me. Be say ya oka ho.
Yesu a oka ho.
Yesu oka ho.
Enti mo dodge from say asay no nka say eno de Kufuado.
And the other year come. And the man say ya onyi dum. No who's oka ho bi na say.
Na onyi dum ho.
Waji tum wa henefa. Enya no ba begina ade men ka ho. Ade eze na wo dwane. Ha? Wakwaji communication minister aboso no a. E ho no e nneema nyina no. Because any ministry. Any ministry. But
I don't think Osla is complaining.
Na Osla. Ni ura abagina de obetma complaining. Ade ene dia ni ura abagia obetma complaining.
Yeah, the rap let me pick a kaka. Maybe I trust why Johnson trusted her.
And yeah, Popia didn't buy Alanchebate. I'm making firm promises of bar taxes. You are ubicum.
Was
it? He will abolish, he will eliminate the compounding calculation of VAT by consolidating the energy and get fund levies with the VAT rate.
Okay.
Abolish special import levy, the 2%. Abolish COVID-19 recovery levy. Abolish Ghana Health Service disinfection levy. Abolish all taxes and other charges on the importation of spare parts within 2 years of the establishment of the government of national unity.
Yes. Spare parts, no. 2 years. Say, Alanchebate winning no kase. Wow, this spare parts be free. Amananiaba. Untia. Tax 2 years. Unya so say Ghana for in our fast spare parts.
The rationale behind it is say, one say we want to stabilize the economy.
Okay.
And now, as I said, we want to stabilize the economy. So I said you are not boss so bafo.
Okay.
It is spare parts link it to the cost of food, because the first part is no ball for more. At least transportation also.
Say spare parts boy into or to
Amen, you are near coffee free Grazia Bano. And so about for Mamma Obia to me at okay. You have no better my boy. But me, I say, one no bar, or flat rate. Over flat rate.
Flat rate.
Container, 20-footer container, be a 1,000 cities.
Aye.
Content you open on count.
So
what you say?
No, sir, content there. There be almost the farm machine.
No,
contraband goods who mambo.
No, I'm not talking about contraband goods.
The only abano, 1,000 cra container of 20,000 went here.
Container the size, yeah, they mouth
flat rate.
Fine. Now the woman, when is that container be what near me woman you know? It be 26 tons of material, $5,000. There's another container 20-footer no, and near be a bear say 20 tons $100,000.
Don't you charge the same?
Now so be a bit doesn't make sense.
It doesn't make sense. My member won't change.
I mean, can't no credit. Is very difficult. No, only will be a try. Now say, you know, some trust say difficult for. So we only were communicating with one of your own. Now, a difficult. Kakra say. I said, yes. The reason being that, baby, a free banner, a collective work na ye. Nti busia bi a ye ye, cabinet, a free cabinet, but your friend is
the mainstream, no,
which is parliament, no. Na ya approve, na ya assent koje no, na de adwuma because don't forget to say, you share your successes. And until I make catch all say, Obia ni who are running away. That may be projects true. Nobody is running away from the fact that there were challenges as a country. Okay, UK or no, the same thing. Also, Prime Minister, Ukraine issues, US. And the fact is that a identity crisis. Say MPP, you need NDC in eco elections, but you could see say the target for certain political party is the personality Baumia. What is the measure? It's the personality Baumia. It tells you a true babia obia friba. But for us, New Patriotic Party, you better share your successes. Whoever was part of your success from 2017 to 2020, 2020 to 2024, you better acknowledge it.
So you acknowledge Alan?
Me tell me kasa want to come me di. Me say Kumau factory na ye Bosia African Development Bank.
And Alan was part.
The same facility Odoma. The BRCs and another Danko Akufo-Addo Bawumia abai. Business resource centers I see Nanya Bosia. Was Alan Martin gender minister?
David.
Look, you're careful because politics you need perpetual enemy. The some of us are a free ho, urban. We are very, very careful because nipa na can ho asem no wabobra o they say into what the plan ba men nyoma adwen say obeto atwene. And I say Dr. Mamudu Bawumia with his practical records in human relations. You better document, you know.
The Alan document.
I'm telling you, we will take the document. Makoto article 87, including that of NDC and LPC and the Apalu.
But you be a document.
It
makes sense. And not Mohammed article 80.
And you know, sa upo obia sabi.
Why are you ready so no
be accommodating? Or you resilient? Uncle Kunyani. Now, Jiran and I should not Jirakana for say this is where we are going here. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia.
All right. Johnson Makwaba, I want to say.
I don't know, bra. Say, Namia Dumti, Ubia, Yepa, Yancha, a tea for Enfamra, Sompa, Jumadi, so. Na yemfa atifo so emra Dr. Mensa Dr. Wonder dwumadi eso a ye di ho dwuma ewu kutwi Guinness Depot na ne nyina ne say Dr. Mensa adodo na friend Dr. Wonder no one no wo pe no impu animu ni animu no one on one ahwe Dr. Mensa no enye TV so no nyankopon adom ene Dr. Mensa atrase e won kran Madina Zongo Junction eho ena doctor atrase intimi semu a mo won kran area ho nyina kasoa eba nyina mesemu a monko Madina Zongo Junction baby a Oman FM wono ewa na Dr. Mensa so ene watrase na oye adwuma mesi koka o hawo koka wa mane koka o yare na eda uso ene wa mane na ewo a woje ho a enye no koka o hawo ni nyina che Dr. Mensa na yemfa duro nkan mi musa asem we edurumre bi ya nananom a omotete na omudware ye no sabi omude semena no edware ye wi a wani baba so na omahye dudo omde ade agu adwapam na omde ahama ene niema agum ya dware osemena na wie no na omde sadudo yi abobɔ na ode ne nsamienu aka nsuo no na ode bi agu anum na ekire sen titi no na enkwada enhwe funu yentie nie na enkwada enkofunu ho titi no wani baba ho so no wo ntafo a yebo omo abamo enne yemu sase saniama we nyina ekoso ana dabi simple tiawa eye dabi na saniama no ena edi minu mienu edem saniama no ena edi yenya amanne yabedu baabi a yadue oman mesi first na wo ntafo a yebo omo abamo memi di ntafo achi enokre first no ya nananum dware esemena no wia na ye de aduro agu adwapam na ye de noma agugum uwia na ye de abobɔ na ode ne nsamienu abonso no na ode agu wanum o my yemu sasenne sanema no ho ana
e woni say bayi
yes na sanema ni na edi enya amanne eniema sosoye ni ohawo sosoye ya eniema sosoye ya ye gie ho a enye no mesemu a edurumre bi asede no oman wo ka no ende ye de adwene nyina da bi oye saade a enye oye saade enye oman be je se Brad David eton fumso no nyankopon ka kire ne se fa adwira haban edwira wo ho na wo nte enam infumso a wakotom nti yanhwei ene ye boasu ewo nsum se de be ye be woro ho bone nako entimi musa se Dr. Mensa ka kire wo se o haw bi eda wo so yare bi aye krankro otoni ayento wadwuma sama aye basa usika sama uhunu so no bedi sasadro ne fa dware a eye simple eye tietia eye no kure nso eye hamba ma enye bibia o eye natural o my sane aye no aduro bi wo a ahama bi wo a mesi obi a wawon ho no wode wasa no pe o my onya nansa obetwetwe enye bibia ne wom eye sane nyame abo ahama no mesel Brad Dr. Mensa yaso eye mesi wode otoni ayento wankasa abraba wo bono unhunu so eniema bi edi unya sika ankasa to nsemu ana ahye mesi uba ya soye ene mesi Dr. Mensa atrase o Madina Zongo Junction koka wa mikika ni nyina kire no ebi kura ne bi wa kire mantimi anka wode kodan Dr. Mensa mesi Dr. Mensa edi ahamma bi aba yakeka bom saa mako enso yenya ya watami awu ya wa anafranaku enuaba saa enso ene akeka bom ena Dr. Mensa ye de eniema afra obegina wudi dware a saa niema na edu nya no oman meka chew enya dia obehunu saa no man bi ewo abra bom Mr. Dr. Mensa yenhwe wona wonum eyi nka sabi wona wonum wakasa wati pampan ewo wonum dodo no anim se yare efiri omchim yanka nto se firi uyam wana dwoaduane a wudie no ayate so enam bebrebe a owie no mesewa aya susuwe kosua na wachiachi a wudie no mesewa ayate so Dr. Mensa se min kan to se sabi ukasa no anum yinka bra ya so eniemu aduro na konom na wotwemienu na nsa so enya de abetri ankankan yare ni bio oman de onim to na de gina atweno ano wona won won de hye won kunu won yire enum enubone eno edinya ewo mrante ne mabawa so mesraw sa odi hye bi enum nubone a Dr. Mensa se min kan cho no pabi se tutumika na bra kotwi Guinness Depot ana Madina Zongo Junction obakwa akoto Dr. Mensa ankasa ho na onfa duro ma wo de hye no
ya wo de be frank kwan na tie ne ye sa aduro yi ade akiri eye nkaten kwan ani nkruma sa utimi di hyehyɛ Dr. Mensa de be ma wo no so a meka che ode hye no nyade anubɔne a ɔnom no ɔbɛkɔ ho bia uda yare bia efiri uti so edikosi unamro mu onyame de ho akyɛde ho akade de ama Dr. Mensa say ɔmfa enuo ɛmaw na fe konom nanya ayaresa eni ntina me no mienu ntina Dr. Mensa say ɔse oni akwantuo bia otuo Dr. Kokuma say no ɔkɔnkran no ɔbakuma say me so ene Dr. Mensa ɛkyra say ɛwɔ Madina Zongo Junction sanso na ɔbakuma say nso a yɛwɔ kotwi Guinness Depot Dr. Mensa atete aninti ene akasefo ɔmo doctors a woka wo haw ne kyerɛ mo a said the Dr. Mensa bɛyɛw no saa so na ɔmo nso bɛyɛw yɛmfa Dr. Mensa number no entudwa na afei yɛmpagye mu Dr. Mensa number no yɛ 0244 92 12 69 0244 92 12 69 sanso yɛ 027 11 73 551 027 11 73 551 yes 0532 92 80 95 Oman wa yare bia tete wo no madi nkanka stroke the all power word ni sisi achi etwetwe no omra Dr. Mensa ya so ye ne yemfa duro nkan na wo so do ho efiri yarem sasa wona wonum yi nkan wona won de hye enum no bone Dr. Mensa nko number 1
Thank you very much.
God bless.
No one cares. Johnson, I'm not saying kind of Dr. Mensa. And now you need awoda. I mean, and come home quickly. And now you Juanita Boakye from Solomon Anane. Juanita Boakye, NDC communication team member. Juanita Boakye. Emanitrin Kwapa. Madam Cecilia Chan of Achemako Fodia. And now you awoda. Happy birthday to you. Jaden Ohinena Kwabnel Fori Jr. From your mother Tina at Ahinema Kokobe Health Center. My lovely boy Isaac Yaw Beniako of Master Seed International School. O Papa Mr. Mwakun, CEO of Royal Light Aluminium. Of Nanekia Amankwa. O Papa Mr. Mwakun, CEO of Royal Light. Also Emma Trinkwa. Holinda or Hanover. Germany, Hollinda, from Hamburg Ike, and also Germany, Mautrinka, versus Evelyn Edumante from the office of the assembly member for Abuja electoral area. Yeah, office of the assembly member, you know. I'm my Kabaya. Post It's just Evelyn Edumante. Okay, Abra Nochua. From Omamba Kwame Apia, tell you of Radio Rainbow Jaboso, a champion Boateng Caleb, and there I would catch you, Obi wish you, and then Gloria Amoa, MPP Deputy Women's Organizer, Fija Sechere East. Gloria Amoa, MPP Deputy Women's Organizer, Fija Sechere East. Membre Naso, time aso. Miss Amoa. 1 minute, your final words. 1 minute.
I was at my buy. Liver me and I can't health doctors, I can't health issues. Women are from the traditional background, which is very important. Alan, a part of his plan was he will integrate fully the herbal and the traditional medicine practice in all public healthcare institutions across the country. So, because we integrate you, no munya. The
requisite knowledge now.
Requisite scientific knowledge, Normally can't traditional, everything my boy, especially herbal practice, because in herbs, this like
background.
Cassava.
Okay.
And our franti. So the Baba can't a beboa. A creative room for as you recognize and never be a cause of memoir. Ya cash. Nazi etime ya stereotype no
na etime pie all right
ndi Alan Chematin de
Alan Chematin na yenim
obiara mami fa de nkam de obiara ni Alan Chematin
baba we say Kumawu a fully integrated hospital Kumawu herbal center there's a complete herbal outfit. Man for
and then another Danko Akufo-Addo and Dr. Mamudu Bawumia. You see, that is the reason why I'm a catcher. Say the document, you know.
Mobaji.
Because as you go to Kumawu, there is ultra modern facility for herbal medicine. Mamudu Bawumia, he met the herbal practitioners.
Yeah, I mean, Joe.
Me ba job our time so.
Abunya kwa time so.
Herbal practice. And the American say, Mestre, you pay identity crisis bia.
Modi answer.
Oh the documents no.
Famra.
My name is Kwesi Antich. In this region, sports is all about Sompa.